Hammer stands alone in a quiet field. A warm, golden light pours down from the clouds above him. A voice speaks, gentle and sure. Build a great boat, because a flood is coming. Hammer bows his red head and says, yes. Hammer begins to build. He measures wood. He pounds nails. Day after day, the boat grows bigger and bigger. It is taller than any house in the village. The villagers come to laugh. Blender zooms in circles, shouting that Hammer has lost his mind. Measuring tape clicks open and snaps shut, counting numbers and saying a flood that big is impossible. Broom sweeps right past with his nose in the air, kettle bubbles and hisses that the whole thing is silly. Hammer does not shout back. He does not argue. He just keeps building. Tap, tap, tap. The voice from above told him what to do, and that is enough. At last, the boat is finished. Then the animals come. 2 lions, padding side by side, 2 elephants swinging their trunks, 2 tall giraffes, 2 little birds. 2 by 2, they all climb up the long ramp into the ark. The door shuts, then the sky turns dark. Rain falls and falls and falls. The great waters rise and cover the whole land. But inside the ark, Hammer and the animals are safe and warm. After many long days, the rain stops, the waters go down, the ark rests gently on a quiet mountaintop. Hammer opens the door and steps out into fresh, clean air. Then Hammer looks up. A beautiful rainbow stretches across the whole sky. The voice from above speaks again. This is my promise. I will never flood the world like this again. Hammer smiles a very big smile. The animals dance around him on the green grass. The world is new again, and the rainbow shines on, a promise painted across the sky.